What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this BMW 5 Series remote key fob. This BMW 5 Series key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button down here on the back of the fob that my thumb's on. Press that button down and then the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now while still holding the key fob with the buttons facing down, I'm going to grab my screwdriver and come down here, and you can see there's this little notch right here. So I'm going to get my screwdriver in that notch like that, and then just gently pry up on that back cover. Once we get that back cover off, we see our battery right here, and you can just turn this over and dump that old battery out. Then I'll grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new replacement battery with the plus side up. So we have our plus side up, our battery plus side up in the holder like that. Then we'll snap this back cover on. Make sure that's all the way snapped on. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.